Yes.
And tina sa virtual seat no more the buy me boy.
That to the best of my knowledge.
And it's specifically meant for home matches. Kofi. Me nyanka kwabna be bie ni phone na mame. Won say me phone no. Ma won say Kumasi Asante. O say ayira. And I mean you say me use ayi. Yeah. Kofi. Ma won bibi.
Perfect.
And I do believe so this is my opinion. I feel like things Kumasi Asante Kotoko they are deviating from their cardinal principle in terms of virtual seat. The reason why I'm going for virtual seat in the buy, I don't know whether they want to abuse it or they are abusing it. So what say actually me? Meaning say Kumasi Asante Kotoko have a book game with fear. Young fan say Isaac Osu ansa ebi a what to work home airflying. Baba be help be name what to say me work club no financially. Asking eti as a for person work club no financially. Now Kofi, me kaisa time when start virtual season kwa na mo the first game our boy Baba Sports was against Bechem United.
Setama omo
Ena kofa virtual seat in the buy.
Hamon back.
Meboa. Kofi, Kumasi Asante Kotoko for year dey and I totally disagree with them. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni house of folk. Is it a home game or an away game?
It was an away game.
For Kotoko, away game.
Away game. So what's the essence of this virtual seat? Oh no, I'm asking a harmless question. I'm looking at the principle. The reason why we are talking about law, no moral issues. The reason why I make fast at the end of the buy and say yes, Kumasi Asante Kotoko game with fear. A home gamer. And then 25%.
Are the supporters complaining?
I say,
are they complaining?
I should not allow them to complain. But me will try me as a pandit, no. I should also analyze the thing for you. The reason why I go fast at the end of the buy, because bedroom maybe no supporters will not even pay. Supporters be carry as a whole job muscado. Let's not forget.
But we are changing around here.
Oh, Kofi tie. See, I'm funny say Asante Kotoko one home gamer. The following week go away game. Meboa. And it's a nippon 8 year bina. Onto bet my year, Juma Kwako see the following week. Not many years sky then as year. Meboa. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Accra Sofo. Last week Sunday support is TI. Meboa. Kumasi Asante Kotoko be game against Dreams FC Okroma. Sunday they have to pay.
I mean, asking whether so only share the same sentiment.
There be unim. Me come bo team no come empany for abaso.
Okay.
So my proactive.
Okay.
And active.
Proactive and active.
Unim say hard game na any other game biao. Na important game for the team.
Okay.
And na almost say a game scan go to ano e ko has for who dini omo nya scan bi enti omo so nya bibi to motivate omo team no so we let's try by na e so tie
pa we they have 17,000
be say 7 groups but we compare previous ones now we are say 10 15 17 groups e ka say we say kwampono omo anya ne enhye
metwase o
utie ko bi omo anya ne enhye omo ebiem omo so say obesa mo ya omo betimi de omo betimi aye but once na Franco ka say emre bi ani hu
matwa ba chintie the reason me dey say now let's look at the reason why Kofa virtual seat in the buy. The reason why Kofa virtual seat in the buy and say
and do ana say please has virtual seat was term special virtual seat and Kojo Jemfi Kojo one for Master na ma say your message class
on say me say
Master it wasn't virtual seat challenge for the house game, rather it was special contribution.
Then why don't you tell me to be a special contribution for the house game? Yeah, no, you are looking at law and two things. So I got a virtual seater confident about him.
I imagine about Kotoko.
Abena Abrafi, please ask your pandit, has he ever contributed to the
I'm a baby.
About Abena Franco
I remember Kotoko has there no. It was virtual seat.
Virtual seat.
Now, Frank.
It was virtual seat.
Even when say virtual seater.
Why should we deviate from it? No, deviation in say.
No. Almost say, almost match is almost elbow. About the feeling elbow. Anyway, a game, Sicano, Cassiana, no, ever call.
Also, Franco said, supporters new complain was in no. I mean, complaining. To some extent, baby, many Franco Baya, drink a crack. Yes, it was meant for home games, right? So now has the what
the idea is
but and I'm happy sir your program the answers na just our listeners our cherished listeners are they are with us and almost so it was a special contribution
for house game
for the house game
me say if a special contribution for house game then you tell me to be a special contribution for house game so because a virtual seat challenger then still it means say Kumasi Asante Kotoko games are what supporters in team. What was the notion behind? Because of Babaya sports in fact 25%. Supporters in team man no be a wolf biano just contribute a little bit. Oba still contribute to be. Then means we have deviated. The main reason me take virtual seat and not correspondent to Accra. Okay, Kotoko ne by Biani Go Stars. I don't know virtual seat ho. Kotoko ne Biana Stars. I don't know virtual seat ho.
Franco T. How so to me say has game no any other game
our brothers are joining or say I don't think it was a virtual seat challenge. I think the supporters I think the supporters were told to contribute to the house game execution. Okay. Yes, Sana Slapers okay. But then Osha
so from my point of view, Kofi, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they are deviating from their cardinal principle. That is my understanding.
A special contribution to the house game. A virtual seat challenge now. Or never buy. And it be our issues with it.
And my point is say, how Ben I was about
the action.
We want to see Sikano Moje, and now a particular number.
Also, Franco, what when you say Koya both women away games are a be an supporter says can
I don't even think say. Apart from house match no omo away game biasa
I media say Kofi ni
yes sir
action say media say if you are making special contribution for this kind of game you have a special name allocated to it. It should not be the same virtual seat. So how can the same virtual seat then mean say Kumasi Asante Kotoko the roadmap of the virtual seat was in correlation to say Asante Kotoko games with fear support out me ma bit ma bakaka betri anameboa. So how can the virtual seat then mean say house of folk no ya away game no and so for so dey. I don't know my point. I say there will be a market a special location, maybe raising fund for House of 4 game, and you support and need to ask him. Oh, so ask how
okay, I'm happy. You're a brother, Kojo Jemfi. Okay. Was it please I am the chairman of Royal Red Army.
Okay.
And what management made us understand was it was a special contribution towards House of 4 game to offset some of the bills they will incur during the preparation of the House of 4 game.
Is it correlated to virtual seat?
Wait, a special match. House match in
action. And headline cry wrong from my own view. The OTA chairman the Abasi say Royal the Odia was say and Pinefo no mudi nkomo say bills be one person offset them or meboa. Bills are different from virtual seat. What is virtual Kofi? Una ye Kotoko ni. And I'm older than
Kotoko ni. So yes.
That be me person wo ka Kotoko so man for fun more. Virtual seat na area. Maybe some virtual seat na area.
I've explained it. Let's end it here. Maybe in the future, or maybe a special name.
And one special name.
Rather than
Franco.
Because I always had any way matches so virtual seat.
Mate.
Before Kotoko has no.
Kwabena Boache champion. I like it when our listeners keep on. But if you just see where the contribution for the house game was initiated by Big Joe, and he was it my man can hear was it if you just see the contribution messages in about by Big Joe, and his target was 30,000 to help the expenditure for the game. Aksam would also please Ike. It was a special request in supporting the club for going to Accra earlier than normal to subsidize their cost. It was support. I said that if we supporters have no problem, what is his problem? If I cannot go to Accra to cheer the team and I decide to pay for the seat, I will occupy. What is his problem? Okay. So and a hard guy, I push. And so then a message about I say Franco, please relax. We are okay with it. We want the best for the club. Fabulous, the best. And this Bernard also wants please tell Franco to stop saying that because we are happy with the virtual seat contribution. It is good.
And people say a proposal to go.
I think headline almost son.
Yes, it be a special.
I'm never
Okay, Asga Boya Travel and Sports Comfort 7 country or Sebra. About Conto Munsem there.